when we do these types of projects for our clients. We need to connect the dots for our clients' users in a live Teams meeting where we have the best shot at them paying attention to show them the before and after of this migration. And we need to show them why this is so much better for them. We need to show them the big improvements, such as not needing a VPN to connect their files remotely anymore, or being able to restore previous versions of files on their own without calling IT, or being able to share files and control access through sending people links instead of attachments, or that multiple users can be working on the same file at the same time, or that they can work with files offline. And when they reconnect online, the changes will be synced automatically with other users' changes, or that there's a recycle bin now. And if they delete a file, they can restore the file on their own without calling IT. In our Microsoft 365 cloud services practice, we do two types of training for a file migration to Microsoft 365. A live training orientation, which I've been speaking about, where we spend 20 to 30 minutes connecting the dots for the users from the old system to the new system and doing a live demo on how they'll access their shared files as well as all the new features that they're going to get. The second training we do as part of our change management is a micro video training system. Micro video training uses 1 to 2 minute video segments in a sequence to train a user on technology to get them from beyond not knowing what they don't know and to do it fast. And as they can get to it while working in their regular day to day schedules.